In the last video, we scaled our database tier, data tier. We use horizontal scaling with sharding. And now let's see what we have with all of the concepts we talked about combined so far. So the data tier, we have our sharded databases, and we also have the state and the non-relational components of our system in our NoSQL database. And as we've seen in this in the series, scaling a system is an iterative process. Iterating on what we have learned in the series could get us pretty far, actually. Obviously, more fine-tuning and new strategies are needed to scale beyond millions of users. One example of that would be we might need to optimize our system and decouple the system even to even smaller services, which will which we think about the web tier, and for example having one separate service for like post operations, having one separate service for get operations, things like that. Obviously, that this increases the complexity. All the techniques we discussed in this series will provide a good foundation to tackle new upcoming challenges, and I'm really excited about those. And as a conclusion, let's go back to our 8 points and revisit them. So again, what have we done so far? We talked about the web tier state, and we decided to keep web tier stateless because this way we are able to scale the web tier independently up and down. We built redundancy at every tier by using multiple servers, multiple databases, later replication. We employed cache to improve our response times. We supported multiple data centers. Again, that's also improves our response times. Along the same lines, we started hosting the static assets in a content delivery network. We scaled the data tier by sharding. We split tiers into individual services. Well, I guess we didn't do that really, but that will be the next step in supporting millions of users. We also use DevOps tools to monitor, automate, log errors, and also track the metrics. And that's all for this series. Thanks for watching this episode. Thanks for coming so far. I appreciate it. If you found this helpful, feel free to give a subscription to my channel, subscribe to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated. And I hope to see you in the next series. I think the next series will be more geared towards like more of a system design interview setting, and I will go over how we should tackle system design interview problems. So see you there.